Spooky2 Central Introduction, Powerful Plasma Healing. Key Feature 1, built on Royal Rife's original plasma ball. Spooky2 Central replicates the original Rife concept with direct frequency transmission up to 3.5 MHz, no fixed carrier needed. The tube contains argon or helium, completely safe noble gases that ensure the cleanest signal output for pristine frequency emission. This makes Spooky2 Central the most capable, intuitive, and powerful Rife machine in the Spooky2 family. Key Feature 2, Powerful 4-in-1 Healing Technology. In addition to its most powerful plasma mode, Spooky2 Central also offers ultrasonic, PEMF, and contact modes. You can run each mode individually or activate them simultaneously for enhanced therapeutic effects. Key Feature 3, 60,000 plus free frequency programs. When connected to a Spooky2 generator, Spooky2 Central gains access to the full Spooky2 software frequency database, with over 60,000 free programs covering everything from detox, pain relief, and inflammation to emotional balance and energy support. What real users are saying. How Spooky2 Central helped me avoid leg surgery.
I didn't believe that it could possibly do that, especially this flashing light. I mean, that's a plasma generator, and Phonotron, I believe. It was Spooky Central. I dedicated a week of the plasma, and I put it right between my legs, and I'd set it on top of a box after a while. I'd set another box on there, raise it up some more, and run 2 hours a day for 7 days. And at the end of 7 days, I could not see a single vein. Now my legs, I can see some veins now, but the edema's gone. The fluid in my legs is gone. So yes, I have some veins that show, but my legs are healthier.
Regaining movement after brain trauma, my Spooky2 Central story.
We started weekly 1-hour treatments with the Spooky Plasma Central. At first for his epilepsy, so he would be able to stop his medication altogether. After 3 months, it improved so much that we moved on to various nerve restoration programs. That was when he first noticed in his yoga sessions that he could bend a lot better and move a lot better. And his improvements started to get noticed by others wondering what he was doing. When asked about the difference before and now, he points to the fact that he has more self-confidence, mentally and physically, has a better memory, and can now raise his arm above his head, whereas before it was stuck to his chest. He can walk down the stairs normally, hold things with his left hand to help his right hand, and he turned into a quick walker.